Welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to graph the logarithmic function on the TI-84 plus CE. Okay, so what you want to do is we're going to jump right into it. You want to go to math, and then you want to scroll down. Now, one of the beauties of this TI-84 plus CE, is that you can graph a log with a different base. So if you scroll down to A, it says log base. You want to enter that in, and bam, it lets you put the base in. So say you want to graph log base 2 x, then you would just put that in and you will go to graph. And so it shows you the graph, and then if you wanted to get the table, then you would go to second table or second graph to get to the table, and it'll give you all of your values. When log is 1, you get 0. Log base 2 1, you get 0. Log base 2 2, you get 1. Log base 2 4, you get 2. I'm just going to the whole numbers. Log base 2 8, you get 3, and so forth. So here is your graph of log base 2x. So again, one of the beauties of the TI-84 plus CE is that you can graph log with a different base. Now, the other calculator, if you just have the TI-84, it won't let you change the base. However, you could use the change of base formula to still graph log base 2x by rewriting it as log x divided by log 2. All right, so if you have any questions about that, I will link the video to the change of base formula that I have talking about it to this in the comments, okay? So let me know if you have any questions. And again, if you would like to get access to this calculator, the link should be in the bottom.